Hello guys, Ride with PJ here. Today I am with my ADB 160. So it's still like 300 kilometers pa yung KM niya. So quite bit new, but I'm starting to get some assessment and efficiency ng mga accessories na pwede nating ikabit sa 160 natin. So from the past videos I talk about the windshield, and then we talk about the beak at saka yung cable cover sa handlebar. Now I just want to show you, galing kong ride and I feel comfortable with these side mirrors that I have. Tingnan nyo, parang walang side mirror, no? But actually, this is a side mirror. See? It can be flipped up. Okay sa kamay. It's not too low. But there's also parang ano niya, adjuster niya or extender niya, no? Na pwede mo mapataas if you want. But ang nakaganda guys is this. Parang wala lang. See that? So I'll be giving you detailed mamaya. So medyo madumi lang yung motor natin kasi galing ride. So we'll be putting some details work mamaya. Mamaya ceramic coat ko rin tong cover natin para hindi siya mag-fade. Tsaka yung big natin, no? So this is ngayon i-feature natin is this kind of this is also good one kasi it's standard, pass siya sa mga requirement ng side mirror. At the same time, it's very sleek, para siyang may pakpak yung motor mo. If you imagine that. Okay, so what do you think about this ano guys, side mirror? Maganda ba? Ano yung preferred nyo? There's also one mamaya na i-show ko yung dito naman na side mirror, but for now I'm using this. So this is the thing na maganda sa mirror na to kasi pag you're in parking, you can just flip it down. Hindi siya parang yung taas and then you cover it. Okay? So I'll show you mamaya yung full detail nito, closer look. But before that, if you are fun with ADB 160 reviews and adventure and details and accessories, you can follow me in my social media, share it, or if you have some discussions, suggestions that you want, you can also PM or message in the comment section so that we can discuss. If you want some shout out, please let me know para next natin na vlog, masya-shout out natin. God bless everyone, stay safe and enjoy the ride. Ito yung close up. I'll show you. So, para siyang pakpak. See? All you need to do is flip. Just, diba? So, may side mirror na. Sa kabila. Ayun. Now, meron tong extender. If you want na medyo mataas siya, pwede rin. Then, if you wanna keep it, just go down. Go down. Down na siya. So, if you look at from here, para siyang wing. Diba? Parang pakpak lang siya. Okay? So, guys, let me know your thoughts about this. Ano yung nagustuhan nyo, ano yung hindi, or if you have experience using this, let me know your thoughts. See you in the next vlog.